CCIV/LCID to hit $1,000. Can it happen? Price prediction. The news that Churchill Capital Corp. 4 has decided to merge with Lucid Motors has grabbed the attention of investors worldwide. Through the deal, Lucid Motors will go public soon. The merger has inflicted interest in investors' minds, as the deal might bring out a revolution, and we might experience substantial growth shortly. Will the deal help the stocks to hit a possible $1,000 benchmark? Let's explore. Welcome to yet another exciting video, folks. Today, we'll be analyzing the potential of CCIV/LCID stocks and look into their price predictions. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss out on any of our upcoming content. And guess what? We are giving away a Tesla to our random subscribers. All you need to do is like the video, subscribe, and comment on your favorite type of vehicle in the comment section. Good luck! Oh, and let us remind all of you that the information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. The content in this video is for educational purposes only. Do conduct your due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. One of the most talked about SPAC mergers in 2021 would undoubtedly be the Churchill Capital 4 merger, CCIV, with the EV startup Lucid Motors, LCID. Why is it expected to be an excellent kickstart for both companies? It's because the company is functioning in the production and making delivery section. If you observe, Churchill Capital 4 offers its customers few value propositions that will undoubtedly be of great value for the EV startup company, Lucid Motors. This strategy makes CCIV more efficient in their functional area. Also, Lucid Motors has been continually working on efficient strategies that will help it thrive in the sector and hit great zeniths. It includes incorporating features like a very efficient and legitimate track record, a remarkable validated technology that's also used in the racing series. They also have established sales, networking, and manufacturing units to offer great potential for further growth. The investors believe that Lucid might follow the legacy of the EV sector's king, Tesla. The investors find Lucid a perfect candidate that might follow the path of Tesla for many reasons. Basically, both the companies focus on manufacturing electric vehicles. With regards to the heated-up debate on Tesla versus Lucid, the fact that Lucid is led by the former executive of Tesla, Peter Rawlinson, remains the vital point that further ignites the debate. While many EV startups are tied with third parties to manufacture their products, Lucid stands out by having its own facility for producing cars. As the entire market is now focused on going green and eco-friendly, a whole new level of opportunities for companies focusing on eco-friendly strategies has opened. In the future, Lucid plans on manufacturing budget EVs. So we now know why Lucid is called a company with great potential. The overall outlook of the company sure does seem pretty impressive. When the merger with Churchill Capital was announced, Lucid did compare itself to the successful EV manufacturers Tesla in different aspects. To be able to do that, the company requires to have self-acceptance about its capabilities. The comparison was specially made on the valuation part. Now, what do you think? Will the deal help the stock to have an optimistic forecast? The Churchill Capital Corp. 4 is a blank check company in short. They focus on acquiring businesses and assets through merger deals, capital stock exchange, stock purchase, reorganization, and asset acquisition. The Churchill Capital Corp. 4 is hence a special purpose acquisition company. The presumed merger voting date of CCI4 is expected to be July 23rd. And most notably, the merger needs of Churchill Capital and Lucid Motors need to be approved by the stockholders of CCIV. Fret not, as CCIV stocks are traded at a price twice its IPO price. The voting should easily sail through without experiencing any hiccups. Rumors about the plans of Churchill Capital merging with Lucid Motors developed great excitement among the investor community, which ultimately helped the shares hike up by more than 450% earlier this year. However, once the actual merger transaction was disclosed despite the earlier excitement, the stock crashed. Nevertheless, once the investor communities analyzed the deal's details, the stock could then hold on and make some gains. According to S&P Global Market Intelligence, on revealing the expected closing date for the business combination, shares moved up by 46.1% last month. According to Churchill Capital, the meeting to close the merger will take place on July 22nd. The new and reformed enterprise will be named Lucid Group and will also trade on the Nasdaq exchange under the market cap LCID. The announcement, as mentioned above, was made on June 25th, 3 days after Lucid Motors publicized its plans to focus more and invest in its manufacturing capacity, as a strong demand was experienced in the market. The company's initial EV model, Lucid Air, could surpass a paid reservation quantity of 10,000. As we said earlier, much of the investor excitement and optimism surrounding the EV makers, Lucid Motors is primarily based on its potential to exhibit serious competition against the leading company in the EV sector, Tesla. According to Lucid, the Air sedan model of the company will be the first ever EV to have a battery range of 500 miles so far. The EV will accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds. Hence, Lucid rivals the quickest sedan of Tesla, the Model S. Lucid's first set of vehicles are expected to hit the market in the second half of 2021, starting with the $161,500 Air Dream Edition, which the company reportedly claimed is sold out. They also announced that they will proceed with the $350 million of planned future capital expenses into the next 2 years, and will broaden the all-round capital investments by 6 to 7% over the next 5 years. The investors, who were earlier excited about Lucid's prospects, have now moved the stock up in June since the rumors have turned to reality. The company is soon going to go public and hit the market officially. The company also discloses plans on launching a premium luxury line of SUVs named the Gravity. The SUV model is expected to hit the market shortly in the second half of 2023. With all the updates and roadmaps on the product launches put forward by Lucid Motors, there is now a solid reason why investors will keenly watch the stocks to see if they can succeed, and indeed challenge the naughty and haughty Tesla in the long run. With that being said, let's now move on to the price predictions. Price predictions are undoubtedly one of the best strategies to determine whether CCIV/LCID will be a great fit that can be added to your well-diversified investment portfolio. At Wallet Investor, Churchill Capital is referred to as a great long-term investment option. They've put forward a forecast after doing much technical analysis. At the time of recording this video on July 9th, the stock price of CCIV is $24.91. Based on the estimates, within a 5-year time frame, the prices are expected to move up and hit $129.445. So, within 5 years, the revenue will ultimately surge up by 418%. Hence, we can certainly infer that the stock is expected to offer greater returns in the long term and can be a good investment choice. Imagine if you invest $100 today in the stock, it'll reach $518 in 2026. Sounds cool. We all know FOMO, or the fear of missing out, is one factor that would greatly help the stocks to improve significantly with time. Now, as we heard about the merger alert, grabbing the attraction of investors to intensify the hype might be a cakewalk. When looking at the price movements, we can see that the prices have been following an uptrend since their inception. And the stock has so far signaled a rising tendency and might significantly boost the market sentiments in a 5-year time frame. After a year, the stock prices are expected to move up by a whopping 100.208%, and we might as well hit a stock price of $52.814. So, if you invest $100 today, next year your current investment might reach $200.2. It looks too bullish, isn't it? And now, after looking into the price predictions, it seems like the stock can indeed be a suitable pick to add to your portfolio. So if the deal goes good, without any chaos, the chances of CCIV/LCID stocks hitting $1,000 within the decade seems likely. Also, with the merger around the corner, investors will first-hand experience a great revolution encompassing the entire idea. Keeping that in mind, the investors certainly would not want to miss out on the investment opportunity. Well, with all that delivered, we're finishing it here. And if you found this video informational and wish to see more of such content, please hit the like button. Do let us know your opinions in our comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to turn on the post notifications so that you always get notified whenever we post a new video. Also, don't forget about the giveaway. Till then, keep watching our other videos. We'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye!